Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn double integral, and in our first video we explain what is double integral and with the little example. Now this is the lesson 2. Don't forget to go and watch the lesson 1. Do share, learn and subscribe our channel. Okay, let's solve the problem here on the board. The example 1 here says, since the double integral starts from the limit from 0, 1 to 3, here from 2 to 4. Now we are going to focus on the inner integral. That is, we are going to keep x constant and integrate y. That is the first step. After we integrate one, then we take the integrated one and we integrate with respect to x again. Okay, that is, we have the integral from 4 to 2, integral from 1 to 3, that is x squared y plus y cube dy dx. Now in the first step we are going to start it with the inner. I want to focus here. We are going to focus here first. By focusing in the first integral, then we can integrate with respect to y. That is to say, we have x squared y squared all over 2 plus y all over 4. That is all over 4 here. Then you can take the limits. The limit started from 1 to 3 dx. Okay, in the next step we are going to simplify here by taking the limits. By taking the limit, we are going to have 4. The limit from 2 to 4, we have 3 raised to power 2 x squared. We interchange x and y here. That is all over 2 plus y raised to power 4. That is, here is 3 raised to power 4 all over 4. Then we can say minus. Then the other limit, we have 1 raised to power 2x squared all over 2 minus, that is plus. Then we take this one, we take y here, the y here as 1 all over 4 all over 4, then all the x. Now we substitute by taking the limits from 1 to 3. In the first one, we take the limit of 3. That is, in place of y we replace with 3. In place of y again we subtract and replace with 1. That is started from 1 to 3. Okay, in the next step, now we are going to simplify by saying we have the limits from 2 to 4. That is open bracket, we have 3 all over 2. This is equals to 9x squared. 9x squared all over 2. We have plus 3 over 4 here is 81. That is, here is 81 all over 4. And we have minus times this, we have minus 1 all over 2 x squared. That is minus times plus. Here we have minus 1 all over 4 all dx. Now by simplifying this, we have to add those that having x square. Now x square minus 1 all over 2x square. Here we have 8x square all over 2. That is 8. 1 minus 1. Here we have 80. We have minus 80 all over 4 dx. That is the limit from 2 to 4. 2 divided by 8 divided by 2. Here we have the limit from 2 to 4. This is says we have 4x square minus 80 divided by 4. This is we have 20 dx. Okay, now we are going to take the second integral. By taking the second integral, we are going to integrate this again. This shows that we have 4x cubed all over 3. That is, by taking the integral, you can plus 1 to the exponent all over what you add for the exponent all over 3. Then you integrate 20. If you integrate 20, you are going to get minus 20x. By taking the limit from 2 to 4. Now we are going to take the limits from 2 to 4 after the integration. Then after the integration, then we can take the limit again. By taking the limit, we have this is 4 times x raised to 3. That is, we are going to take 4 all over 3 all over 3. Now we have minus 20x. Minus 20 times 4 or 24 in bracket. It's all the same. Then we put this in bracket. We subtract the other limit. We have 4 times 2 raised to 3 all over 3 minus 20 multiplied by 2. Okay, now in the next stage we are going to find 4 raised to 3. 4 raised to 3 is 4 raised to 3 will give 4 raised to 3, then we can multiply by 4. We are going to get 256 all over 3. 256 all over 3. Then we remove the bracket here. We have minus 20. 20 times 4 here we have 80. We have minus 80. We remove this bracket by saying minus. This is 2 raised to power 3. We have 8 times 4. 8 times 4 here will get 32. 32 over 3. Then minus times minus here plus 2 times 2 here plus 40. Then in the next stage, we're going to subtract 256 minus 30 over 2. I think here we're going to get 224 all over 3 minus 40 over 1. Now you can take the lowest common multiple as 3. Then we multiply. We have 224 minus 3 times 40 here is 120. This is equals to 104 all over 3. That is our answer. Thanks for watching. Then we're supposed to solve the next example here. The next example here says we are going to take the simple question here. The next example says we have the limits started from 0 to 2. That is the limit from 0 to 1 of x square y square, that is dx dy. Okay, now we are going to solve this question by double integral. Then firstly we have to write solution. By writing solution here, we are going to get the limit from 0 to 2. That is the double one we have from 0 to 1. Then in the next case here we have x square y square dx dy. Always we are going to focus for the inner integral. That is by saying we take the integral of x and keep y constant. We are going to have x raised to power 3 all over 3 y square. Then the dx is we are going to keep dy constant, dy. Then we have the limit from 0 to 2. We have to take the limits. The limits of the inner one is from 0 to 1. Now by taking the inner integral, we have the first one, we have 1 all over 3 all over 3, then y square, we have minus 0 over 3 all over 3 y square. That is the inner one. Then we have 1 all over 3 as 1 multiply 1 by 2 y square, we have y square. Then in the next step here we have minus 0. The total of this one will become 0 with our mates. Then now we have here is dy, also here is dy. Then we are going to take the next integral started from 0 to the limits. Then by taking the next integral, now we are going to integrate this again. By integrating y square, we are going to have y cube all over 3 times 3. 3 times 3, then we're supposed to take the limits started from 0 to 2. Okay, in the next stage we are going to take our limit as 2 raised to power 3 all over 9 minus 0 over 3 all over 9. Then this 0 over 9, it's all 0. Then 3 over 2, we have this is equals to 2 times 3, 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8. That is 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 8 over 9. As simple as this. That is the answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.